Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. Today I have another unboxing and product review for you. I came across Sola Wood Flowers online, and I just loved the wood flower kits that they had. They also have finished products, but hey, I'm a DIYer. I wanted to do it myself. So I went ahead and ordered this kit, and this is the Good to Be Home kit. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in taking a look at their website or their finished products. So let's open this box and see what we have. This is like Christmas. Okay, so it looks like this is the invoice, and all together for this kit I only gave $28. That was the kit and the shipping. Sorry y'all, my stool's making noise. You hear it? I don't know. Okay, so we have the bag with all of our flowers and stuff in it. I'm not really sure. This looks like a glue stick. But look at that, isn't that beautiful? And these are wood flowers, made out of wood. Oh, and here's the sign that came with it. This is going to be exciting. So I am fixing to head off to my studio, and we're going to put this thing together and see, was it really worth $30? Okay guys, so I have been trying to get my camera, my lighting, everything set up to do this outro and to tell you what I thought of the Sola Flower project. This is probably take number 10, and I'm about ready to scream, but we're gonna try this anyway. As you saw in the video that you just watched, I stained the frame using a mixture of black paint and water. You can get this product already stained, but I like mixing my own. Honestly, I love this project. I loved the flowers. The only thing that I didn't like, or I don't like, is, I don't know if you can tell, but the lettering is really light. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a paint pen, and I'm just going to go over the words so that they pop a little bit more. This was a really easy project. All I had to do is glue these beautiful wood flowers onto here after I stained it. What I'm going to do is put a twine rope to hang this up, and I'm going to put it in my living room. I loved it. Is it worth $30? Maybe $20. $30 was a little bit high, but I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and I would suggest going and checking them out. Not only do they have completed sets, craft sets like this, they also sell the wooden flowers individually. So I think the next time I order, which will be very soon because I love these flowers and I have other ideas for them, I think what I'm going to do is just order the flowers themselves without a kit. If you love doing crafts like this, if you love doing wood signs, I mean anything, like you could even hot glue these onto some stems and do flower arrangements with them. The flowers are beautiful and they are, I love them. I can't say that enough. So check out the link in the description below. I think you'll be really impressed by this company. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed the video, and until next time, happy crafting.